Let's take the opportunity now to present those who will be our keynote speakers, both today and tomorrow, and then I will give the word to our first speaker. The first I must give is the apologies of Rui Vilar. Unfortunately, Rui returned from Angola yesterday or last night and is sick. We are hoping that potentially he can come tomorrow, but for the moment he will not be able to join us. So I would like to just present quickly the other four keynote speakers that we have online, and we are hoping that our keynote speakers will speak about 15 minutes, and they will give us some kind of food for thought. However, let's remember that the keynote speakers are not the ones divining the agenda. It is you, all of you who are here, and that the keynote speakers are to stimulate as best as possible some of the questions that we must ask ourselves now and in the year to come. Mary Michailidou, who is working at the Ministry of Culture in Greece, and who I have the opportunity to have met only this morning very shortly. So I will allow her to present herself if you would do that when you begin your keynote. We also have Alberto Fesser, who I have not met. Is Alberto here? Yes. Hello, Alberto. Good. I will also allow you to present yourself when you do your keynote speech. I have their CVs, but we don't have yet a personal relationship, so I feel a bit uncomfortable of presenting. Gabriella Battaini Dragoni, who is from the Council of Europe. Is Gabriella here? Yes, of course. Hello, Gabriella. Who is the Director of Education, Culture, Youth and Sport at the Council of Europe. And the Council of Europe is actively engaged at this moment in their white paper on cultural diversity, which I hope you will give us a few words about as well. And also Damian Dragici. Damian is here. Damian was a Romanian ambassador to the Year of Equal Opportunities from the Roma community, and as well, if I understand properly, a musician and a composer. Finally, we will also give the word a little bit later to our colleague from UNESCO, who spoke to us this morning a little bit, but to give us a little bit more clear picture of the initiative, the Alliance of Civilizations.